agricultural industry is undergoing a significant transformation with the introduction of advanced technologies, among which fruit-picking robots stand out as remarkable innovations. These autonomous machines are designed to address labor shortages, improve efficiency, and enhance the quality of harvested fruits. Here, we explore 5 amazing fruit-picking robots that are revolutionizing the way we harvest produce. FF Robotics has developed a sophisticated robot capable of picking a variety of fruits such as apples, citrus, and peaches. Utilizing advanced computer vision and AI, this robot can identify ripe fruits and gently pick them without causing damage. The robot's design includes multiple arms, enabling it to harvest several fruits simultaneously, significantly increasing productivity. Specifically designed for strawberry harvesting, the Agrobot E-Series uses machine vision to detect and pick ripe strawberries. This robot operates autonomously in the field, gently handling each berry to avoid bruising. Its precision and efficiency make it an ideal solution for labor-intensive strawberry harvesting. Dogtooth Technologies has developed a robotic system for harvesting soft fruits such as raspberries and blueberries. The robot navigates through fields using AI and computer vision, picking ripe fruits with a delicate touch. This reduces the dependency on human labor and ensures high-quality produce. Tevel Aerobotics combines drones with robotic arms to create an innovative fruit-picking solution. These flying robots, equipped with AI and computer vision, can autonomously identify and pick ripe fruits from trees. The use of drones allows for greater flexibility and efficiency, especially in large orchards. Thorvald by Saga Robotics is a versatile platform that can be equipped with different tools for various agricultural tasks, including fruit picking. This robot uses AI and sensors to navigate fields and orchards, selectively picking fruits at the optimal time. Thorvald's modularity and adaptability make it a valuable asset in modern agriculture.